Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh. You join us early morning. I'm packing the bag. We're off to France, 15-hour journey. It's quite a small car. Kids haven't got here yet. I haven't had a shower yet. But more importantly, I need to convince my wife, Sparky, that she allows me to take my Brompton with us. I'm not sure she's going to agree. And if she doesn't, it's going to be a pretty short episode. Wish me luck.
No.
Oh, come on, it folds.
I know it does, sweetheart, but so do these towels, and we're going to have problems fitting these in the car. Now stop filming, put it back in the garage, and let's stop messing about because the kids are going to be here soon.
Almost at the Eurostar. The Brompton's in the boot. My marriage is pending. Yep, we had lost our family. We had no phone signal and no way of contacting them at all. We had no other option other than to get onto the next train and try and catch up with them in France. But, looking on the plus side, at least Sparky had forgotten about the Brompton. I mean, I'm not a shy person, but look at this. The bloody urinals are open to the world. We had been driving since 10 AM the previous day, and these dark roads were not helping. Thankfully, the well-lit tunnels provided a little respite. That said, it was still a great relief when the sun started to come up. I have to say, Rafi was managing well with very little sleep. But even he seemed to reach a point of exhaustion.
This is one tired little dog.
It's only been 15 hours.
Oh, okay.
Every muscle ache too. But at least 100 miles south of Paris, we had found the kids. Bonjour! You think we better go and find a sheep that's got a swimming pool? Oh yeah! I have to say, I love driving the major routes in France. They're so easy. But when you eventually drop onto the smaller roads, passing fields full of sunflowers, rivers, hilltop chateaux, and the beautiful countryside, you realise why it's always better to drive and not fly to these destinations. Well, it's early morning. There's the remnants of last night's tea. Let's have a look, see what the morning's bringing us. Oh yeah, that's not bad. I think could be time to get the bike out. Right, the lake was gorgeous. It's 31 degrees and we're going to have a quick cycle to Groljac. Cue the music. I'll see you at the bridge. See you in a bit. This is the only way we're going to get out. Woo! In fact, cut the music. Let's just listen to me panting. It is hot. Making the most of this shade. Because there ain't going to be much once I get off this road. She's got to be chasing me down soon. wow, am I going too fast? Ooh.